So hello everyone, my name is Sarjan. So today in this video, I'm like telling you how you can apply for Masai without any giving exam. So maybe like exam will conducted or not, but like I have a way for you. Like without giving exams, you can uh, register or you can come a Masai. So like you can, as you see in my screen, so here's my website dashboard after when you log in. So I logged with my user ID Arjun, and when you come here you can see there are many kind of courses, full stack, part-time and full-time. So one of the best courses for now that like it's data analytics and I want to share also key maybe after in November and December recession will come, so the demand of full stack may be down. So this details shared by with Masai also. So so choose the course according like according the future demand, because like when I choose, so I did not see about these things, and like I also don't know what is like full stack or data analytics. I just thought ki let's see what happen, do anything. So this is my suggestion for this is like this it's a suggestion for you. So choose the course wisely before joining. So you can choose Android's good and data analytics, and if you have interest to related web development you can come. So you can see on your left sidebar, so here is like many events happening in Masai. So yeah, so website is not slow, but my internet today, my internet is not fine. So here you can see a boot camp class from Masai. So you can register yourself, and as per the like details, Saurabh Das, it's is a instructor in Masai. So they will come. He will come to teach you how to build a web page with HTML and on the CSS. So you can register yourself by just register yourself. So here is the whole day schedule. Yeah, you can see, and like after this you will give a project and you have to submit it. And so like if your project is done, or like this whole thing increases your uh, chances to get admission, because here you can see already 14,000 like 1,400 student applied for that. So like as things are going, so Masai increase very well, Masai grow very well, and so the seats are limited, like some thousands of 1,500. So you can see, and you can check out this, and you can do also one thing. If you have doubt regarding the DSA, the part or curriculum part, like if you have a doubt regarding the curriculum part, you can book your slot. And if you have uh, like doubt regarding ISA, you can just read. And here he's like Akshay Gupta, so you can ask him with any DSA questions. He's a instructor of DSA Algo. So if you have a doubt regarding this, you can ask. So I also I will also apply for that. So like as I concern you my internet issue. So next thing, so here also Masai have some self-learning courses. Like it's just like no, not too big courses, just uh, a type of courses, little type, and you can, yeah, we come into this, and we can just when we putting our number, we like registered for the event. So yeah, and the next like maybe it's for those friends who already know the DSA algo. So I will also apply for that. So guys, you can apply for those this thing, and make sure while choosing your course, you first see the demand and course demand, and then apply for that. So I will give the link of this events. Like I will give the website link of website. You can first register yourself, and so you can fill the forms for registering. And so have a great journey. That's it from my side. Thank you.